Hey there, today we're going to look at CaptivatelQ Tutorial 2026. So let's get started. First open CaptivatelQ and log into your dashboard. Over here, click on Plans from the left menu to access your compensation plans. Then select Create New Plan, choose a template and press Continue. Over here, enter your plan name, set the plan period, and upload your team data. After that, click on Components to set up commissions, bonuses, or quota rules. Then choose the component type, add the required formulas, and save it. Over here, move to Participants, assign each team member to the correct plan, and verify the details. After that, go to Data Connectors, choose your CRM or data source, and connect it with CaptivatelQ. Then map the fields, confirm the import, and allow the system to sync your data. Over here, click on Calculate, review the results, and preview payouts to make sure everything looks accurate. After that, open the Statements tab, generate individual compensation statements, and send them to your team. Then review the notifications and confirm that everything has been delivered successfully. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.